In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn dark mode on and off in the Joomla 5 administrator area. Whether you're working late into the night or prefer a different visual aesthetic, switching between light and dark modes can enhance your user experience significantly. Let's dive in. To begin with, the first step is to log into your Joomla admin panel. You'll want to make sure that you have your credentials handy, as these will be necessary to gain access. Simply enter your username and password and you'll find yourself on the main administrative dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and from here you can control various aspects of your Joomla site. Next up, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your account information displayed neatly here. Go ahead and click on it. It's similar to accessing account settings in many other software platforms, providing you with a range of options related to your profile and preferences. Once you click on your account, a drop-down menu will appear. You're looking for the option labelled Light Dark Mode. It should stand out, but if you're having trouble finding it, just take a moment to scan through the options available in the menu. Clicking on Light Dark Mode will enable you to switch between the two modes effortlessly. Now, with just a single click on the light dark mode option, you'll notice an immediate change. This toggle doesn't require any additional actions or confirmations. It's seamless. If you're switching to dark mode, you'll find the interface adopts a darker palette, which can be easier on the eyes in low light environments. Conversely, toggling back to light mode reverts to a lighter background with a familiar interface that's well suited for well lit conditions. It's worth mentioning that this feature is designed for quick adjustments and personalization, allowing you to customize your working environment based on your preferences or needs at any given time. This level of flexibility can be a great productivity booster, ensuring that your visual environment suits your comfort and efficiency. That wraps up our guide on toggling dark mode in the Joomla 5 administrator area. I hope this helps to make your Joomla experience even better, allowing you to work comfortably and effectively no matter the time of day or your lighting conditions. Remember, making these small adjustments can drastically improve your user experience, helping you stay focused and reduce eye strain. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might also benefit. Thank you for watching, and happy Joomla managing!